Hi everyone, welcome back to Yen's Kitchen at Home channel. Today I'm going to show you how I clean these 8 fresh salmon heads, about 2.5 kilos in total, which I bought from supermarket earlier. They were super fresh and perfect for soup, and I've already cleaned them step by step. If you ever wonder how to clean salmon head for cooking, especially for soup or stock, this video is for you. Here's what they looked like before, a little bit blurry and still with the gill on it. And now look at the difference how I clean this 8 salmon head step by step. The first thing I did was give each head a good scrub with a clean brush. Salmon skin can be really slimy and slippery, and brushing them helps remove the outer skin so they are easy to handle and clean. Next, I use heavy-duty kitchen scissors to cut through the mouth and jaw area right down the middle. These help the head cook more evenly and make it easier to remove any remaining bite inside. Next, I use a knife to carefully crack open the bottom of the head near the jaw, not cutting it fully in half, just opening it enough to expose the gills. These make it easier to reach in and remove them. Here's the tips. Cut it through to open the mouth or separate the jaw slightly, but not in full cut. Then I rinse the inside well and scrape out any blood, dark spots, or membranes around the skull and cheeks. This helps the broth stay clear and clean tasting. After brushing both the outside and inside, I gave each salmon head a final rinse under the cold water. Once they were fully clean, I placed them neatly in a large bowl. Look how fresh and clean they look now. No slime, no blood, and no gills. With the head slightly open, I pull or snip out the gill using scissors. Removing the gill is really important. They can make your soup taste bitter or fishy. So instead of just pulling and throwing the whole things away, I gently separate the red gills and set aside the surrounding meat. That part is great for soup later. Don't throw out the meat near the gill area. It's tender and full of flavor, healthy fat, and healthy oil. I set that meat aside together with a salmon head bowl, and then I clean it carefully by removing any leftover fish scale. Just run your finger over it or use a small knife to scrape them off. Here's the tips. Always handle the heads gently to preserve the cheek meat because this is the tastiest part of the fish. After cleaning one side of the salmon head, I trim off the fins using scissors. They can be sharp and tough to cook with. And that's how I clean my salmon head, taking my time to make sure every part is clean so the final soup tastes fresh and delicious. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll cook a tasty salmon head with a rice vermicelli soup. Until then.